welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Irene here. What's up? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Please do not mind my background because I'm not home and I'm just helping a friend to figure some things out. So just listen to me, okay? Concentrate your energy on me, okay? So I was thinking about doing something really essential for we females, and anything I stumble across as regards to my health, my feminine health. I think I should give you guys something, just a little bit of that. I know this channel is about beauty and makeup and hair and nails and all of that, but still I also want to educate you guys a little bit on some things I have stumbled upon and how those things have changed my life, y'all. I know that you can tell from the title that I'm going to talk about a particular kind of essential oil today, and it is something that I stumbled upon and I was like, oh my God, somebody needs to hear me talk about this, right? So I'm going to be talking about tea tree oil and the benefits it has on the skin, and preferably I'm going to be talking on how it helps to clear out bumps that you can get after you shave, be it your armpits or your down area, basically anywhere you shave, you use a razor or the shaving cream. Now I'm going to be telling you guys the benefits of this tea tree oil on the skin, and man, it is amazing. I call this the Gbogbo Nise oil. If you guys know what Gbogbo Nise means, it works for everything. That's basically what Gbogbo Nise means. And this can be used for the skin, for the hair. I use it very well for my hair. I think I have spoken about it and I've made two videos actually, about how I use tea tree oil for my hair. It is basically a blessing for mankind. And I'm going to be talking about how I use this to stop aftershave bumps or skin discolorations. I'm going to give you guys a background story of my shaving experience, and it's not been really cool. It's not been going on well, and I know that I am not the only one in this spectrum. I know, sis, I know. So if you're the kind of person that has a sensitive skin, because the areas that we shave generally, they are sensitive, and then if you're extra sensitive, it means that you're going to experience breakouts, you're going to experience skin discoloration, you're going to experience sometimes boils or rashes if that area is not at its optimal health, right? So this tea tree oil, I combine the tea tree oil because it's an essential oil, and essential oils are really concentrated. You can't use it directly on your skin. I am not saying use tea tree oil directly on your skin. You will burn. You will burn. It's really concentrated. So what I do is I either apply it with water, I mix the oil with water, or with another oil. Now for my hair, I mix with water and other oils like castor oil and the rest. But for my skin, especially my armpits and my pubic area where I shave most of the time, I use this oil with sweet almond oil. Now sweet almond oil is such a beautiful oil, but that's not the main focus of today. When I started using this tea tree oil, I realized that I don't have as much aftershave bumps that I usually get, because honestly it is so frustrating. Do you know how frustrating that can be? And aside the fact that it's frustrating, it is not a good sight to see. Okay, if you know what I'm talking about, because we are out here having dark spots because these bumps, they somehow they heal themselves, and then they leave a dark mark there, like I was here. Yes, everybody must know that I was here. Like, guy, why must you embarrass me so much? And when the boils are even there presently, they itch. This is TMI. If you're not ready to be open about what happens with your body as a female, I don't think you should be watching this video. But if you are and you want to get help that I'm offering, I think you should continue watching. So you know how these boils are down there, and I definitely recommend using tea tree oil, especially with another oil, a softer oil or a carrier oil. Those oils that you can mix together with essential oils like this are called carrier oils, right? They are not as concentrated, and they can actually accumulate the concentration of these essential oils. This oil is from Zibri Organics. This is not an ad or a sponsored advert for her. It is what I have been using, and I am guaranteed. There's no skin that looks exactly alike. I'm talking of DNA, I'm talking of skin composition, right? So what works for me so fast might not work for you so fast, but then I'm still deciding to put this out there. I like to shave at night so that I get to sleep without having to add those creams, antiperspirants, deodorants, or just those other stuff that make that area smell nice underneath my armpit. And I don't have to wear underwear at night, because wearing underwear at night is another like wahala entirely, right? So it's best to sleep bare, right? And for those of you worrying, oh, my period is going to come, your period would not come in 30 days. If your period comes, wear your tampons or your pad. And if you are not on your period, please sleep without underwear. It does a whole lot for your body and that particular area. So what I like to do is I shave at night, and then I apply the oil that I've already added, like 5 to 10 drops of tea tree oil in, and then I gently massage that area, especially those crevices, you know, that part that actually meets the thighs, you know, this part and this part. Guys, those are the areas more prone. These are the areas more prone to having boils or bumps after you shave. I also forgot to add that tea tree oil helps with scarring. I think that's all. I just wanted you to know some certain things, and I think I have already done justice to that here. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I love you, you know I do. And please don't forget to hit like and share this video with your friends and family and enemies, because you know your enemy might be my friend. Let's talk about that. Let's talk about that. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And remember that God loves you, and get you some tea tree oil, brothers and sisters. From me to you, it's a wrap. Bye.